Hi, and welcome to the 5th video in our series of tutorials on how to use AWQMS. This tutorial focuses on using the mapping options. When you click on the Maps tab, you see 3 tiles for Exceedance Map, Interactive Map, and Simple Map. The initial steps for creating each type of map will be the same as creating a query, so I'm going to use the conditions of a previous query for this example. The Exceedance map is not currently applicable because DEQ water quality standards can vary geographically and temporally, which does not fit into the AWQMS structure. If you are interested in learning more about DEQ's water quality standards, please visit the webpage shown here. The interactive map gives you the option to include thresholds, but those have not been included in AWQMS. You can also apply values of interest such as upper and lower thresholds to individual parameters, which are displayed when you click on a monitoring location and select the box plot option. After creating the map, you also have the option to create a report of statistics at each location, or see a summary of the data as a pop-up or Excel table. The box plot and report will only show parameters checkmarked prior to creating the map. Both table options will show all of the available parameters unless you indicate a parameter by clicking the box to select individual parameters. You can always choose to go back and change items about your map by clicking on the Change Criteria/Options button at the top of the map. The Simple Map allows you to map all of the monitoring locations for a particular organization. On each of the maps, you can check a box to show the monitoring location IDs, switch to satellite view, toggle to full screen, drop yourself near a site using Google Street View, zoom in or out, get a summary of monitoring location information by hovering over a water droplet, and view available data for a monitoring location by clicking on a water droplet. You can always choose to go back and change the organization displayed on the map by clicking on the Return button at the top of the map. If you have any questions about this video, please feel free to send an email to the address shown here. Thank you for watching.